So this is the issue I'm having with the autofocus on the Canon 22mm f2. This is a brand new Canon M200 that I bought from eGlobal. I've also got a Canon M5. So if I try to focus, it will just hunt all the time. So you see how it will gain focus like that, but it's not actually in focus if I go in like that. And if I move it to somewhere else, like outside, it will not focus on anything. So I've got 8 other lenses that I've used, and they're all fine. Let me just change hands on here. Yeah, so as you can see, it just can't pick up. There's a lot of contrast in the images there, and you'll pick up something like that, but it's still hunting, as you can see. So we pick up on, like, for example, this there should focus on that perfectly, but it never gains focus. And this has been like it since the day I got it.